So guys, today I'll be teaching you how to make a skater skirt. So first off, you start by folding your material into two, and this material I got it 2 yards and is a single foam material. Foam materials are very great for skater skirts. So after folding it into two, you go ahead and fold it again like so. You fold it again. And the tip I'm holding right there is for your waist, to cut out your waist. So you try as much as possible to fold your material very well so your skirt will be balanced. You won't have somewhere too high or somewhere too low, especially when you're cutting a long skater skirt. So guys, for these skater skirts, you will need your scissors, your chalk, your tape roll, your pencil, whatever will help you to make these skater skirts. And then your machine is very important to make your skater skirt. So you start by firstly measuring your waist, and my waist then was 28, but now I'm fat. I think I'm 30. So you're 28 divided by 4 because you divided the material into 4. So 28 divided by 4 is 7. So you measure out 7 at that very tip. Yeah, that very tip. You measure out 7 across the triangle, like so. That's your 7. You measure it out like so, and then use your tailor's chalk, of course, to mark it out. After marking it across, you also mark it from the top of your triangle. It is very, very important. Measuring mine from the top of the triangle gives me 4. So I measure 4 all the way round, like all the way from the top of the triangle to the bottom where I drew it. I do this so I can have a perfect circle. Moving your tape rule that way will give you a very perfect circle. And then you go on with your length. My length is 25. Sometimes I make it 27 so it will be longer. So you mark it all the way round. Mark it all the way round the skirt. I'm marking it that way so it will give me that circle below, to give me that circle below. So you mark it all the way around. It is very important. Trying to use your brain sometimes won't be really effective, but when you use your tape rule, it is going to give you your perfect length. Guys, skater skirts are very interesting. You can wear it to anywhere, to the office, to church, to the beach. Then you choose the length you want. Skater skirts are very interesting. And guys, I think I have like 12 skater skirts. That's how much I love skater skirts. So you go all the way around like so. Trust me guys, it is very simple. I am here to teach you how to do things all by yourself. You don't need to call any tailor to give you these lovely skirts. So guys, you measure it all around and it's done. So you just join your lines together like so. So to make it easier to cut out your skirt. Guys, this is really, really very simple. So guys, you cut it from the top and then from the below. From this top, exactly, this is my waist, guys. This is my waist. Don't forget to divide your normal measurement into 4. Don't make mistake and measure it into 2. It is going to give you a very bogus outlook. I remember when I first did mine, oh my God, I lost a whole lot. Adjusting it was very, very difficult because the waist was too big for me. So guys, you go below and cut it like so. You cut it like so. You cut it all the way around. Guys, it is usually very tough for me. especially if the material is lacy. So now guys, I'm done cutting it. Oh my god, the skirt is already looking very beautiful. And then when you're done, you open your skirt into two. You see that it is looking so much like a skater skirt. So guys, what next you will do is that center, you have to cut it out so that the fixing of your band will be very easy. Then also, if you want to make use of zip, it's very nice. But for this material, you don't need zip. You just need to cut it into two, then put a band on top of it to make it really lovely and presentable. So guys, you cut it into two like so. Guys, don't make mistake and cut the wrong side. You have to cut the center. You cut it through the center and try and open your skirt so you don't mistakenly cut the front and the back. You try and open it so you don't mistakenly cut the front and the back, because you need to cut just one side. You need your zip at one side if you are using zip. But since this material is kind of stretchy, I'm not using zip. So guys, I just cut it down like so. Try and be careful not to cut your underclothes, the clothes you're using under. You try and cut it down like so. And guys, you are done. But not done, but you're done. So you see my skirt. Oh my god, I can't just wait to put it on. Just look at, I'm so happy. And this skirt, I love the color. The color is really nice. So guys, the next thing to do is you put your band at the end. But some people you can actually fold it that way, but I love bands. Bands make my clothes look very fitted and presentable. So guys, remember my waist was 28. Remember my waist was 28, and I'm going to cut this band. The length will be like 30, and then my band, I don't want my band to be too fat, so I'm going to cut 4 will be my length. I think 4 is okay. So that when I fold it into 2, it will be 2 instead of 4. So I measure it down and I cut 30 since my waist. I cut 30 since my waist is 28, so that I'll have excess. It's better to have excess than to have insufficient, length. So guys, I'm just going to cut it out, and this is length is 4, and when I fold it into 2, it becomes 2. It's going to look so smart, not too big and not too small. So guys, what I'm going to do next is to turn the band like that to the back. You see what I'm doing? Turn it to the back like so, and then join it. Guys, if you're not really good at sewing, you can just use your needle to fix it round, and make sure you don't fix it the wrong way. You start from the back and then use your pin to pin it all around like so. Guys, this is not difficult. It's not difficult because you're going to enjoy this skirt. So you pin it all around like so that when you turn it, it's going to be perfectly neat. So guys, you pin it. Your pin is very important when making clothes. No matter the clothes you're making, pins are very important. Never exempt your pin. So guys, when you're done pinning, you see how beautiful and neat it looks. And then you go to your machine and just run it down from there. You sew it like so, and then when you're done with that, you join the ends of your skirt like so. You sew it down to the wrong side, and then you can leave the end of your skirt like that, or you can decide to pin it up just like you did at the top. You just fold it into 2 or into 1, but since this material is foam, I'm just going to fold it once and then sew it round. Thank you guys, I love you. Thank you for watching.